Hey guys, so I got another Hitch cover video. This one I want to show you guys. This is some scrap metal, 4 inches wide, 3/8 thick. What I do is I weld these all together, one solid piece, which ultimately, something like that right there. That's what I'm going to do on this one. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this decal. I went ahead and lined it up with a Sharpie. What I'm going to do on this one is, once I'm done cutting it out with the plasma cutter, I'm going to this one I'm not going to powder coat. This one I'm going to paint it with either Krylon paint or some kind of high strength paint, because I want to make it different colors. I want a white bandana with a California flag, and that one I'm probably gonna hand paint the actual bear on there, and then clear coat everything. So right now I'm gonna go take it to the plasma and start doing some cuts, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so there's the rough outline. I'm going to go back in there with the grinder and grind off all the nice edges, make sure everything's even. Alright guys, so this is the part where it gets a little bit tricky. So now I'm going to go back in with the welder, and I'm going to tack a lot of those little spots right there that I went over on the plasma. I'm going to tack those over, and then I'm going to sand them down, and basically they'll seal that little cut. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so you see what I did? I welded some of those little spots, and I'll show you guys in a second what I mean about hiding them back up. Alright guys, that's what it looks like after maybe about 20 minutes I think that I've put into this. Did a little bit of fine sanding. See how those little pieces, the little gaps are a little bit more gone. I can keep adding weld to that, but I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go in there with a die grinder, the Dremel, and clean all those little edges inside there a little bit better. Aside from that, I would say that it's done. I just got to add that 3/8 piece that I put my bolts on for my style of hitches. So once I do that right now, I'll be done. Alright guys, so here we have it. So like I said, mine is the detail that I will put on here at home with a Dremel. It's ready. Welded my 1/4 inch piece. Usually put 3/8, but I put 1/4 inch this time. Put my initials on there just to make sure they don't get stolen. But yeah, there it is. It's probably about 10 inches, maybe 9 inches long, 9.5, by just around 6.5 inches wide. So I mean that sucker will look really good on the truck, on the back of a truck. So like I said, I'm gonna paint this white, probably a gray cap, and then like a gray here, and then I'll do a California flag. That'll be on the next video though, because you guys can actually either paint it or powder coat it from here. Alright, thanks for watching.